So I've got a thought experiment for you guys, kind of a way to trip out the imagination, if you will. Suppose you had a microscope and a telescope, and they had infinite zooming capabilities. There's no restrictions to light, to energy required, or to visibility. There's two main hypotheticals with this. The first being that there is an end point, there is a smallest particle that you can no longer zoom in on, or furthest edge of the universe that you can no longer zoom in on. The second hypothetical is that there is no end. You can always zoom into a smaller particle. There's always a further edge to the universe that you can see. This thought experiment is going to introduce the third hypothetical, which is that the universe loops. So we take that microscope and we're zooming in beyond the quark and the Planck and anything that may be smaller than those. And eventually we'd get to the point where we're on the edges of the universe looking inward. And we're slowly zooming in and seeing galaxies and planets. And at some point, we are able to see ourselves looking through the microscope. And because we could zoom indefinitely, you'd eventually see the microscopic again, and you just slowly zoom in further and see the universe again. And this is just some pictures I put together to kind of dramatize it. And the same thing happens with a telescope. You keep zooming in beyond the end of the universe or at a specific point like a planet or a star, and eventually get to the microscopic. And as you continually zoom in, you start to get back to the edge of the universe, maybe at a point relative to where you're looking out from or point relative to where you see. It's kind of similar to the idea of if you had unrestricted vision, could you see the back of your head just on Earth? Another related idea is having two mirrors reflecting each other, and we take our magic telescope and try to find an endpoint to that endless reflection. So that's the brain teaser. I hope you guys go mad trying to think about it, trying to imagine it. Thanks for watching.